Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai spicy dipping sauce for pork leg stew, or in Thai we call khao kha mu. For this dipping sauce is famous in Thai street food. You can find this overall in the street food of Thailand. For this dipping sauce is very easy and only few ingredients. We use garlic, chili, vinegar, salt, and sugar. First we gonna blend the garlic and chili to be the little pieces. And then we gonna put all ingredients: 6 tablespoons of the vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of the salt. Some people can put into the blender and blend in the one time, and then you can get this one. And now it's ready for our dipping sauce. It's sour and a bit of the salty and sweetness. This one will help pork leg stew on rice. It's more delicious when you put this dipping sauce. So I hope you guys give this try for this dipping sauce. It's only few ingredients and very matching with our stew. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.